Erin channel. It's time of the year, guys, that we're planting tomatoes, guys. This is my my friend garden, so she asked me to pick up some tomatoes, and this is very organic. Ang dami, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo ang laki ng bunga. It's so healthy, guys. Walang antibiotic, walang fertilizer. It's so healthy, tomatoes, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo ito. Day! Tanawa, day, oh. Wala ni mo gi-harvest, day. Nalata. Dara, day, oh. Nalata. Oh, here. Imuha man yung dagko. Dagko, imuha. Here. Kuha na lang na siya. Hi guys, this is Rosalie. This is the owner of the garden. Guys, ang init. It's too hot today. It's like 100 degrees. Ganito ang buhay ng Amerika, guys. Magtatanim during summertime para hindi na bibili sa market. And then she called everyone to pick up the tomatoes in her garden because it's too much, guys. It's too much to eat. Wala man siya bunga. Hi guys, I gonna cook fish, and then this is my green vegetables, guys. Di ba guys, sabaw, guys? Pwede to sa sabaw. Sinigang, guys. Thank you, Rosalie. Guys, tingnan nyo ang init. Nandito ako, guys. It's like 1 o'clock. Nakuha na dahil na paihag na ang kuan.
Gosh, I didn't realize we had so many watermelons.
Dahil pila man ani akong bayro nun sa imuha, day? Masarap to sa gulay, guys. O, tingnan nyo, guys. I think I found some talong. Day, okay na talong?
It's not that big, but
Okay, makuha naman ni Day, madaon. Guys, tingnan nyo. So big. Pwede na ni magulay? Opo, guys. Ano to sa... Kung ano, Day. Tignan mo, guys, ang upo. Ang laki, guys. Ito, guys, naman, mais, corn. Thank you, John.
Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll go through here and look.
Okay.
Let me help you, because I gotta get out of here.
John,
Some
some
of them are
other,
really nice, but I've taken most of the nice. Look at here.
some other are just.
So look at that one. I took about 70 or almost 100 of those.
Oh my God.
Those are the nice ones. So if you find those, get those.
Okay. Some are eaten by the.
Here's another
rat.
one. Huh?
I think that's what eating by the rat.
I don't know. Look at over here.
Oh my God, that's a lot in there. John, this one, John.
Holy mackerel. Here.
Thank you, John. Ang dami guys. Asawa yun ng kaibigan ko. I'm so dark now, guys. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Very organic. We can eat organic, guys. Organic corn.
Should I stop? Should I keep those? Or should I stop and try to sell them? Should I stop at that store? You want those tomatoes? Then I'll stop.
Buhay America, guys. Ang init. Guys, cherry tomatoes, guys. Daming bunga, guys. Hey guys, thank you for watching LB Erin channel, and thank you Rosalie for the nice cherry tomatoes. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye. Hi guys, this is Rosalie, my friend, guys, the owner of the garden. Thank you for watching LB Erin channel. I love you all. Bye.